pick keep getting stuck on the strings? It's probably not because you are picking too slowly. It is because of your pick angle. Let me show you. How the pick catches the string. If it's rough, slows your movement and make fast picking much harder. Change it like this. Not this one. Like this. Now the pick glides across the string much more smoothly. The movement feels lighter, clearer, and easier to control. There are many different picking styles, but for most guitarists, using a slight pick angle works extremely well. Just tilt the pick slightly so it can glide across the string instead of pushing directly into it. Less friction means smoother movement, clear tone, and easier speed. Start by holding your pick just above the string with a slight angle. Don't play yet. Simply notice how the pick is positioned. Now, begin slow alternate picking. Down, up, down, up. Don't play like this. Make angle. This is guitar string, this is a pick. Make angle and then keep the same angle throughout the motion. Don't worry about speed. Focus on every picking feels smooth and effortless. Now compare them with this. You will naturally use more force, create more tension, and your picking becomes rough and inconsistent. One of the keys to smooth alternate picking is letting the pick glide across the strings. A small change in your pick angle can make a huge difference. Practice keeping a slight angle, stay relaxed, and let the pick move through the strings, not fight them.